Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE, and if you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So today I'm going to create this purple smoky eye, and yes, this is the vibe I'm going for today. So without much I do, let's dive into the video. So first of all, I went ahead to prime my eyelid with my blossom concealer in the shade 01, and I went in with the color box cosmetics brush to blend it. So after I finished blending everything up, I went in with my purple eyeshadow, and I was just packing it up on my lid, and as I was packing I was blending as well. So that is what I was just doing. So after I finished with my purple color, I went in with yellow eyeshadow to blend in the edges of the purple, and also set my brow bone area with it. And later, after I finished with that, I went in with my Lady Floral eyeshadow palette to use a brown shade to darken or to create a smoky effect in my crease region. So that is what I was doing. I was just going back and front, and after I finished that, I just went in with the purple color on my lid again, and also trying to create wing effect at the outer V. Something about you feels so different. Yeah, you mess me up inside. It's like your energy was kissing my soul back to life, was living. Now it feels like every part of me is dying. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't find my way out. Lost all dimension and time. All alone, think I'm losing my mind. And this goes down. I went off camera to pop on my lashes, and I went in with the micellar cleansing water from Blossom Cosmetics to wipe my face or to clean any dirt from my face, and then went in with my serum. So in my previous video, I told you that I will be using the second serum today, and this is the vitamin C serum from Kiss Beauty. So I'm going to apply this on my skin. Last time the other one I used was so good to me, and I saw the vibe. And so today I'm going to try this one. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't find my way out. Lost all dimension and time. I don't think I'm losing my mind. And this goes down. So I'm just massaging it inside my skin, guys. A little go and one spoon. So after that, I'm going in with my Scent Eyes moisturizer. So I'm going in with the Charm Fabulous. After I finished with the primer, I went in with the Adventure foundation. I made sure I blend the foundation well, and later went with the Adventure foundation, the darker one, to contour my cheek. I will make sure I put the product or the foundation name and the shade in the description box so that you can go and check it out. So after I finished blending, I went in with my cheek lipstick palette as my blush. Blend, and that is it. So after I finished blending in the blush, I went in with the Blossom concealer in the shade 01 to highlight under my eye, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and the other side of my face. And later went in with the Colorbox Cosmetics built-in blender to blend everything out. Guys, you have to blend until you have that smooth blending, okay? After I finished with the concealer, I went in with my compact powder to set under my eye, and later went in with the Adventure setting powder to bake under my eyes. After I finished baking, I went in with the darker shade to contour my face. So after I finished contouring my face, I went in with my blush to blush my face. Guys, I love blush. Yes, I'm the lover of blush. When it comes to blush, I love it. So I just use the blush on my cheek, my forehead, and everything. And later on, I went in with the exact shade of my powder to set the whole face, blend everything together. So I went ahead to contour my nose. So after I finished with my nose contour, I went in with a smaller brush to take off the excess powder under my eye. And after that, I went ahead to set my face with adventure setting spray. So after I finished setting my face, I went in with my lipstick, that is from my cheek lipstick palette. So after I finished with my lipstick, I went in with my highlighter from the same powder palette to highlight my cheek, my forehead, and the other parts of my face. So after I finished with the highlighter, I went in with my advanced setting spray to set my face, and later went in with my Kiss Beauty mascara. And that is all for the look. Yeah.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look. The look is giving. The girl has killed it. Okay, so this is the look I've created, and actually I was like rushing, and it was also raining, so they took the lights out, and I just have to figure the way out and just finish this and up for you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it does, give me the thumbs up, and also comment down below what you think about this look. Yes, I just want to know. Tell me. I'm eager to know what you think about this look. And I hope to see you in my next video.
Something about you feels so different. Yeah, you mess me up inside. It's like your energy was kissing my soul back to life, was living. Now it feels like every part of me is dying. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where